Hey guys, welcome to a special video about how to install a graphics card. So this is the graphics card I'm going to install. It is one of the latest MSI Cyclone cards. Now this is quite a beauty. It's this is capable of 25 miles per hour. And it cost me about, I believe, 20 doubloons on Craigslist. So installing a graphics card is easily one of the most difficult parts to install, far more difficult than a processor. So first of all, you want to place it down roughly around, don't worry if you drop it guys, roughly around your PCIe slot. You can put it in. I'm going to just for filming sake, but it can just be resting on top. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is get a gun, load the gun, and kind of just go at it. Now, this might not be quite enough, so you might need to switch to something like this. I'm going to stand further back for this one. I think that's about done it. Now, if shooting it didn't work, which it did in this case, but if it didn't work, the plan C is just to pick it up, stand on top of a chair, and just drop it repeatedly. And then, once you've got it nice and worn in, you want to put it back into your motherboard. And that will have boosted your GPU speed by about 2000%. And then for good luck, sometimes you just want to throw a couple of apples at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed filming it. Installing a GPU has always been one of my favourite parts of building a PC. So if I can reach, let's say 10 likes on this video, I will do a tutorial on installing RAM.